Hello and welcome! Today we're going to explore Minecraft Education Edition. Today we're going to learn how to build, and throughout this series we're going to learn how to code, build, and explore Minecraft Education. So if this is your first time opening up, we need to log into Minecraft, and then we click on Play, click on View My Worlds, and we explore all the worlds you've created. Of course, if this is your first time opening up Minecraft Education Edition, then you won't have any worlds, but you can go ahead and click on My Templates, and you can begin creating your own world. So over here, we're going to create blocks of grass. You can of course explore other templates, but for today, we're just going to explore blocks of grass. Just because it's empty and we can build whatever we want on it. Okay, so once we've logged in, takes a while. Once we've logged in, this is the empty blocks of grass world. We can click on H on our keyboard to take a look at all the control settings. I want you to get used to moving around in Minecraft, so WSAD to move forward, backwards, left, and right. And using your mouse, you can look around the world as well. So if this is your first time using the computer, it might take you a little bit, but I'm sure you'll get used to it in no time. If you press E on your keyboard, also stated in the control menu in the left side of your screen. If you press E on your keyboard, opens up the inventory and you can grab a couple of things. So for today, let's begin by building a simple house. I'm sure you guys are experts at building houses, but just in case, I'm going to build a house for myself. We're going to grab a couple of doors, we're going to grab a couple of planks, and maybe some glass as windows. So you can put this down over here. Let's put down a wall. So we'll have a simple wall on this side. Try exploring how to move around, so it takes a little bit time to get used to, but if you double press space, it allows you to fly. So and you hold space, it allows you to move up, and holding shift moves down. Anyway, once you get used to the controller, I want you to slowly build your house, and this is basically the most simple version of a Minecraft house. So just like a couple of walls. You can slowly put your blocks down, like pressing right click, right click, right click, or if you're used to it, just hold down right click and move across like that. Okay, so once we have our house, don't forget, maybe you want to put a door down. So you can press 1, 2, 3, 4 on your keyboard, or you can use the scrolling wheel to look for the number that you want. So in a hotbar at the bottom of our screen, we can see all our items over there. And we can use the scrolling wheel or the numbers to move to that box. Yeah, so 1, 2, 3 allows us to look at the items over there. To interact with items, especially doors, you can right click to open it up, right click to close it. Okay, so let's destroy some blocks. Left click to destroy blocks. Remember, left click to destroy, right click to put things down. So left click, I'm going to destroy this area section over here, and right click to put down some glass windows. We can finish this off with a roof. So in most cases, you might want to put a roof to protect yourself from the rain or monsters. But for today, I think this is a good place to end. Over here, we have a little house, and it's up to you to expand it or make it bigger or better. Thank you.